Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my 17-month update for my no-buy. 17 months, which is insane, and today is Black Friday. I'm just going to take that deep breath, and I'm going to get through it. I am not going to buy. I am not going to buy. I'm telling myself this. I am not going to buy. Jessica, when you're editing this, remember, don't buy. It's Black Friday. These sales will come, they will go. It's going to be okay. You haven't been tempted all year by this stuff. Why should you be tempted now when it is 50 to 75% off? And I'm a sales shopper too, which makes it even harder, but I can do this. I can do this. I can totally do this. There's no reason why I can't get through this. I'm trying to convince myself I don't need it. I don't need it. I'm going to rewatch all of my How Many Years videos to remind myself I don't need anything. I really don't. But it is a struggle. It is a struggle every day. I'm getting all of the emails for Black Friday, and it's a struggle. I'm not going to lie. I would like to say that it's easy, and it does get easier. It really does. Once you flex that no-buy muscle, it gets stronger and stronger and stronger. But yeah, I have days like today when everything is on sale, and I normally like to stock up for the next year. I need to not do it. This is the second Black Friday I have gone through on this no-buy, which is insane. It is insane. I haven't purchased on my birthday. I haven't purchased on either Black Friday, assuming I get through today. And I'm hopefully going to get through the next month, because that's what I need to do. I need to just not buy. I have noticed that a lot of people are jumping on the no-buy bandwagon, and I think it's great. I think it's absolutely great. Everyone has their own set of rules. You know, I have my rules, and, you know, Amanda has her rules, and other people have whatever rules work for them. I did my first year as a complete no-buy. The only thing that I purchased in that whole first year was cotton rounds. Like, that was even remotely beauty related, was cotton rounds. Nothing else. Absolutely nothing else. And I said when I started my second year for this no-buy, I said that because certain categories were running low, that I was going to allow myself to replace things as I use them up. And I've done that. I've successfully done that. Everything that I've purchased was because I was out of something, like eye makeup remover. I also bought some toner, some astringent for my face. I mean, very limited things. Nail polish remover, and they were all like completely budget friendly. So I have really, really stopped spending money for the most part, which is amazing. And I have not made up for that shopping elsewhere. I haven't gone out and bought a bunch of clothes or anything like that. And that's great if other people do that. If, you know, if they need to fill that void, I guess you will, that shopping void, if that's what gets them through, then that is awesome. I haven't done it. I'm the type of personality where I'm kind of addicted to things, and I'm obsessive about things, and I have to go cold turkey. Or like, if I allow myself like the tiniest little bit, I will take this much, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to think I'm here and then be out here. I need to just curb it. I have gotten rid of one of my subscription boxes. That was a gift. I still have my one Sephora Play, which was a gift. It's not something that I myself am purchasing. So I feel like I've done really well with this no-buy. If I can make it through this next month, and I really hope that I can, I will have gone a year and a half without buying anything. That's amazing to me. That is absolutely amazing to me. I hope I can keep it going. My goal is to make it to the 2-year mark. And so I have 7 months to go to get to that 2-year mark. Part of me really thinks that I can make it, and another part of me is like, I miss buying things, and I truly do. I don't want to say I'm bored with my stuff, because I'm not. I have a lot of really cool things. I'm like looking around my desk here, and and I own a lot of really cool things. And I just think that in some ways I have a shopping addiction, and I'm really hoping that doing this no buy and continuing it on for a second year is going to help me curb that addiction. And only time will tell with that, because when I'm not on my no buy any longer, that is going to be really telling how I handle it. When I hit my 1 year, which my goal was originally 1 year, I did a replacement haul of things, and that's it. I used my 2,000 points from Ulta, and then I spent 38 cents on a gift card to make up the difference for that, and I think that was like the tax or whatever. And that's it. That's all I've gotten, except for those few little replacement items. And it's hard. It really is. Because there's this thing in me that says, no, you can get this and this and this. All the little pretties are coming out this time of year, all the holiday stuff. And I'm an eyeshadow addict, which you guys know if you had seen my how many years eyeshadow and then my eyeshadow confession where I found some more stuff in my house. I love eyeshadow. It's my crack, and I've said that all along. I do have a hard time with that sometimes, but I can get through this. I know I can get through this. You guys have been amazing with your support, and I appreciate it, and I applaud everyone that is trying to do a no-buy, whether it's for a month or 2 months or a year or whatever. Really, it is great. It is great to have other people doing it. It feels like great support to me, and with people, so many people doing it now, and people that are on the no-buy seeing other people doing a no-buy, I think it is a great support system. And, you know, we can all kind of no-buy together, which is cool. I know November is a big no-buy month, kind of like no-buy July and no-buy November. Those are like the 2 big months where people don't buy. And I think it's great that everyone is doing this. I really do. I'm going to wrap this up. I've been rambling for like 7+ minutes now, and yeah, I haven't bought anything. I'm going to continue to try not to buy anything. If I can get through Black Friday and all of like the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, then I am good. I know I'm good. Hopefully my next update will be me saying I made it 1.5 years without buying anything, and I really, really hope that I can do that. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.